Hello，大家好，我是 Rollingmandarin 的刘老师。今天我们来学习第3篇文章，红旗轿车。As usual, let's look at the sentence structures first. We all know that there are two major sentence structures in Chinese, namely the SVO structure and SP structure. In an easier way to explain it, SVO means a sentence with a subject, a verb, and an object. The SP structure is a structure with only subject and adjective or a verb, but there is no object. For sentence structure with SVO, we can also add time and place into it, normally after the subject and in front of the verb. I mean, subject plus time plus place plus verb plus object. For example, the subject is 我, the verb is 买, the object is 书. The whole sentence will be 我买书. Time element is 星期三. Place element is 大学. Don't forget to put 在 in front of the place. So the sentence will be changed into 我星期三在大学买书. If you want to emphasize time and place, you can also put them in front of the subject, which makes the sentence turn into 星期三在大学我买书. To emphasize both the time and the place is very seldom in Chinese. We normally would just put the time element in front of the subject and leave the place element in front of the verb. So the structure of this sentence will be changed into 星期三我在大学买书. You can also put a comma after time element to make the structure of the sentence clearer. 星期三我在大学买书. The SP sentence is very similar to the SVO sentence. We have a sentence here, 我学习. I can put the same time and place element into this sentence. I mean, them both in front of the verb 学习 or time element in front of the subject and the place element in front of the verb. If you could understand this logic, you will understand the first sentence of the text 红旗轿车. I will put adjective modifiers in this sentence away, and we will see its basic sentence structure. I mean, with proper meaning. 轿车1966年5月3日在汽车厂制成出厂. 轿车 means car, sedan. 汽车厂 is the automobile factory. 制成 means made, finished production. 出厂 means to leave the factory. The time element is 1966年5月3日. Place element is 在汽车厂. It is a SP structure sentence. The predicate is 制成出厂. As you can see, this sentence has two verbs. The first is 制成 and the second is 出厂. The whole sentence means the sedan was made and sent out the factory on May 3rd, 1966. Since we have both the time and place elements in this sentence, I can put time in front of the subject, so the sentence will be changed into 1966年5月3日轿车在汽车厂制成出厂. Now we put all kinds of adjective attributes in front of the nouns of the sentence. What kind of 轿车 is it? It is China's first batch of new style sedan with the brand of 红旗, which will be in Chinese, 中国第一批新型红旗轿车. What is the complete name of the automobile factory? It is Changchun No. 1 Auto Plant, which is in Chinese, 长春第一汽车厂. Well, now you see a really long sentence with a rather simple structure. 1966年5月3日 中国第一批新型红旗轿车在长春第一汽车厂制成出厂。Same theory can be applied for another sentence in this text. 周恩来、陈毅等国家领导人 is the subject. It means the national leaders of China such as 周恩来 and 陈毅。The time element is 开始 means begin, start. The adverb is 正式 it means officially. Adverb will be put in front of verb for sure. So the verb is 乘坐 to ride. The object is 这一款高级轿车 this high-ranking sedan. 款 is a classifier. Can you tell me what is the meaning of this sentence? Yes, it means the national leaders of China, such as Zhou Enlai and Chen Yi, started to officially take this high-ranking sedan. There is again a 被 sentence in this text. 被送到北京. It has been sent to Beijing. There are also two very practical conjunctions for sentences in this text. The first one is 随后, soon after, subsequently. 我去大学，随后我去医院。So it is very similar, like the conjunction of 然后。The second conjunction is 从此。It means hence or from then on. 我去中国，从此我就爱上了它。怎么样，学会了吗？点赞，关注 Rolling Your Mandarin。